Hey guys, thank you for coming back to the channel. We're gonna talk today about a lot of stuff, like how important your value is in your life, future, anything good to come, your dream. We talk again about turning nothing to something. So we will talk about a lot of stuff today. So let's start with the value. The value is not in what we are doing, but the value is in what we are or what we become. The more value we become, the more money we will learn. The more value we become, the more money we will earn. The more attention we will get, the more respect we will get, and so on. To change our value, we need to know ourselves better than anyone. By knowing ourselves, we know what we're good in, and we know what we're good in, and we know from where to start improving what we are good in. And that will be the improvement of our value that will change everything in us, as a revenue, income, relation, personality, and so on, spirituality, all those. We are not getting paid for the hours we are spending, but we are getting paid for the value we are sharing to the other party, like a work. It's not about the hours we're working, because if it was for the hours, everybody should get paid the same. How come some getting more money for the same hours than others? So improving our value is the key of improving our lives. We can improve our value physically, spiritually, mentally, spiritually, and so on, accordingly on what we are interested in the most. If we want to change something in our life, we don't change that thing, but we change ourselves to get that thing changed. All successful people are successful because they use their time right. They are successful because they are lifetime learners. They commit to learn new things every single day. Successful people never stop learning. They learn in anything. They learn visually. They learn by hearing some news. They're learning on anything. Success. We only have 86,400 seconds a day, and we need to use it correctly. Most people take this time for granted. Most people let this time disappear without a second thought. We never get this time back. We must use it wisely. We must be productive. We must use our time to do things we enjoy, or use it to set up our things so we can spend our future doing more things we want to do. Most people give up on their dreams because they don't even try their best when they take the test, because in their mind they have already failed the test. That's to kill their belief, and once the belief is killed, the dream is killed also. If you have a dream, you must do everything to make it reality. It doesn't matter how many times you fail the test. Life itself is a test. To fail doesn't mean we are failure, but the only way you can be a failure is if you stop trying. If you want to get results you have never yet before, you are going to have to do things you have never done before. I like that part a lot. That's a good one to write there. The richest man in the world was once asked which superpower he would like to have, and his answer was he would want to have the ability to read books faster. So that's the superpower you would like to have. If like they ask him what superpower you want us to give you, his answer was to be able to have the ability to read books faster. Wow. So read for him is everything. That's another way of learning. We learn by reading. That's the most important point on our learning, because even when we go to school, they teach us from reading. You never go to school and learn with no readings. There always gotta be some readings in order to make you understand what you are learning. So you gotta find yourself what to read. You gotta have some books to read in what you wanna become in future. Success is not about the money, the fame, the big house, expensive cars. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. You will fall down many times on the road to success, but the most important thing is that you get back up. Get back up stronger and wiser than before. Create a mindset that doesn't allow you to quit or stop believing in yourself. If you quit on your dream, you never know how great that dream could be, how great you could be after not quitting that dream, after proceeding with that dream, no matter what. Let other people live small lives but not true. Let other people cry over small hurts but not you. Let everybody else argue over non-essentials but not you. Deal in things that matter. Make sure what you are doing is the product of your own conclusion. Don't just learn how to earn, learn how to live. One of the biggest challenges in life is being happy with what we have while we are pursuit of while we in pursuit of what we want in life. So develop your lifestyle a little bit more. Your style of sharing, giving, enjoying, saying is not the amount that counts, but the experience of choosing to live with style. The key of happiness is not more. Happiness is enough to be studied and practiced. More money will only make you more of what you already are. More money will only more quickly send you on to your destination. If you are inclined to be unhappy, if you get more money, you will become miserable. More money will only amplify what you already got. Example, somebody been drinking a little bit too much. If you got more money, you'll start drinking more and you'll be a drunkard. So style is not more, style is a not. Style is a design. Lifestyle is deserved for those who are willing to study and practice the higher heart of life. Remember, value is not the amount, but the imagination. Success is learning to move in the opposite direction of the normal negative. Cool. Success is just overcoming the normal negative downward trend, because I guess that what life was meant to be overcoming the normal negative downward pull. So this is what I wanted to talk to y'all, and this is the information I wanted to pass to y'all, so you can get some more knowledge about how to be valuable, about value, about success, about almost important things in life to change our life, to get our dream into reality. And just watch the next video. I'm still gonna talk about success, and that will be part 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment whatever you want us to improve, or whatever you learn in this message, and what you want to head on top of that, and let's keep on touch. Thank you.